Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are here to discuss about the topic relational algebra operations from set theory. So let's get started with the introduction. Relational algebra is highly relevant in database management system as it serves as a theoretical foundation for querying and manipulating data stored in the relational databases. It provides a formal framework for expressing queries and operations on relational data in a precise and structural manner. By using the relational algebra, users can perform operations such as selecting, projecting, joining, and aggregating data, enabling effective retrieval and manipulation of information from large databases. In set theory, there are three fundamental algebraic operations. The first one is the union operation. The union operation combines the elements of two sets into a single set. Mathematically, for set A and B, the union of A and B, denoted as A union B, consists of all the elements that are in A, in B, or both in A and B. Symbolically, A union B equal to X, X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Second is the intersection operation. The intersection operation returns the elements that are common to two sets. For set A and B, the intersection of A and B, denoted as A intersection B, consists of all elements that are in both A and B. Symbolically, A intersection B equals to X, X belongs to A, and X belongs to B. Minus or difference. The difference operation, also known as the set subtraction, returns the elements present in one set but not in another. For set A and B, the difference A minus B consists of all the elements that are in A but not in B. Symbolically, A minus B equals to X, X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. So the first is the union operation. The relational algebra within a database management system, the union operation combines the tuples from two relations into a single relation. The resulting relation contains all the tuples from both the input relation with duplicate tuples eliminated. The union operation is denoted by the symbol U. When applied to the relation capital R and small r and capital S and small s, the result is denoted as small s and small r union and capital S and capital R union. The key characteristics of the union operation in the relational algebra are combination of the tuples. All the tuples from both input relations are included in the result. There are no omission based on commonality or the uniqueness. Duplicate elimination. Duplicate tuples are automatically removed from the result. This ensures that each tuple is resulting the relation in is unique. Schema compatibility. The input relations must have the schema compatibility, that is, same attributes and attribute types, for the union operation to be valid. Overall, the union operation as relational algebra provides a way to merge the data from multiple sources while ensuring the integrity for resulting the relation. It is commonly used in queries and data manipulation tasks within DBMS to combine data from different tables or queries. Example of the union operation. For example, if we have two relations R and S with the attributes A and B, the union operation would combine all the tuples from both the relations. The resulting relation would contain all the unique tuples from both R and S. Duplicates are removed to ensure the result in a distinct set of tuples. Intersection operation. The intersection operation returns the tuples that are common to both the relation. It is denoted by this symbol. The result of the intersection operation contains only the tuples that exist in both the relation. So let's see an example for the intersection operation. If we have two relations R and S with the attributes A and B, the intersection operation would return the tuples that are present in both R and S. The resulting relation would contain only the common tuples between R and S. The tuples are unique to either R or S are not included in the result. The third operation is the minus or the difference operation. The minus or the difference operation in relational algebra, often denoted by the symbol minus. It used to find the difference between two relations. It returns all the tuples that are present in the first relation but not in the second, effectively subtracting one relation from another. Here's a brief explanation. Syntax. Small r minus small s and capital R minus capital S. Small r and capital R and small s and capital S are relations, that is the tables. Minus represents the minus of the difference operation. Result. The result of small r minus small s, capital R minus capital S is a relation containing all the tuples that are present in the relation small r and capital R but not in the relation small s and capital S. Any tuples in small r and capital R that have a matching tuple in small s and capital S are excluded from the result. Duplicates. Duplicate tuples are not removed by default. If a tuple appears multiple times in a relation small r and capital R and is not present in the relation small s and capital S, it will appear multiple times in the result. Here you can see an example for this. So example of minus operation. For example, if we have two relations R and S with attributes A and B, the minus operation would return the tuples that are present in R but not in S. The resulting relation would contain only the tuples that are unique to R. The tuples that are common to R and S are not included in the result. Few properties of the relational algebra operations are union, intersection, and minus operations in relational algebra satisfy the certain properties such as commutative and associativity. These properties allow for these operations to be performed in any order without changing the result. Understanding these properties is essential for effectively manipulating data in DBMS using relational algebra. So here is the conclusion. Union combines the elements from two sets into a single set, eliminating the duplicates. Intersection identifies the common element between two sets, producing a result set with shared elements. Difference or minus operation finds the elements present in one set but absent in another set, resulting in a set representing the complement of one set with respect to another. These operations serve as the building blocks for querying, manipulating, and analyzing the data in relational database, offering powerful capabilities for data retrieval, filtering, and comparison. Understanding these operations is essential for effective database design, query optimization, and data analysis in DBMS environments. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share the video.